Good morning. We're gonna talk today about chapter 2. Let's start. Lesson 78, Array. Array is a kind of pattern contains of set of objects, shapes or numbers. يعني هو pattern بيتكون من أشكال أو أرقام بيترتب arranged in rows and columns with no gaps. So example here of array, this array or pattern arranged in columns and rows, okay, and no gaps here, so it's array. The second one here, example of non-array. Why it's non-array? Because it has gaps here and there are missing hearts here. The second one here, practice which one array and which one non-array. The first one here is array. Why? Because there is no gaps here. The second one here is array or non-array. Non-array, because there are gaps here and here and here and here, so it's non-array. The last one here is array. Why? Because there are no gaps here and consist of columns and rows, so it's array. Lesson 79, repeated addition in arrays. Arrays have horizontal rows. Horizontal rows, it means go right and left. And vertical columns, it means go up and down. يبقى تاني, horizontal rows, it means go right and left. But vertical columns, it means go up and down, like this. Okay, so how many rows here go right and left? 1, 2, 3 rows. Type, how many columns do you have here go up and down? 1, 2, 3, 4. So rows go across, right and left, columns go up and down. Okay, practice here. Write the number of rows and columns. How many rows and columns here? The first array here, I have how many rows go right and left? 1. And the second one, 2. I have 2 rows. Okay. And how many columns go up and down? 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. So I have 3 columns here. Okay. And here it's array. Why? No gaps here. So how many rows here go across right and left? تعالوا نشوف كده مين اللي بيروح right و left. اهو right و left. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 rows here. Okay, and how many columns go up and down? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 columns here. Here, to find the total number of objects in an array, use repeated addition instead of counting the all objects. What I mean by this? هستخدم way سهلة ان انا اقدر اعد الاري بتاعي من غير ما اقعد اعد shape فيه. يعني انا هعمل ايه دلوقتي؟ Let's count the hearts دول كلهم, all the hearts here in this array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. طيب هو شايف ان دي طريقة صعبة, فهو عايز طريقة اسهل شوية اقدر ان انا اعد بيها من غير ما استخدم ان انا اعد shape هنا. طيب اعمل ايه؟ هستخدم repeated addition. اللي هي ايه بقى؟ ان انا مثلا عندي هنا دي عبارة عن 3 rows. Go right and left here. In this array, each row contains 4 hearts. They repeated 3 times. يعني ايه؟ انا عندي اول row في كام heart؟ 1 2 3 4. طالما 4 في الفيرست row اكيد 4 في السكند row اكيد 4 في الثيرد row. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 give me 12. The same way but on column. In the same array, نفس الارray بس بدل ما هيشتغل row هيشتغل columns. Go up and down. Look here. How many columns do you have? 1 2 3 4. طيب each row how many heart? 1 2 3. So the first one 3 يبقى second one 3 يبقى third one 3 يبقى fourth one 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 give me 12. Or you will count all the hearts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. يبقى يا نعد التوتال يا اما نستخدم repeated addition عندنا. Okay. طيب let's practice here. Add the rows. Here add the rows يعني go right and left. Okay. How many rows here? ادي 1 2. So I have 2 rows. طيب حلوة قوي. أنا عايزة أعرف كل row فيه كام car. How many cars in each row? 1 2 3 4. معنى كده إن أنا هيبقى 4 plus 4 equals كام؟ 8. طيب add the columns here. How many columns do you have here? 1 2 3 4. طيب انا عايزه بقى ادخل جوه الكولومز واعرف كام كار في كل كولومز. طيب هنا عندي 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 give me what? 8. طيب تعالوا نشوف اللي بعده. lesson 80 naming an array. ازاي اقدر اسمي الاري بتاعي؟ زي ما كل واحد فينا ليه اسم برضو الاري بنقدر ان احنا نسميه. There is a way you can name the array. Say the number of rows by the number of columns. طيب this is array. Why? Because no gaps here. And arrange it in rows and 3 columns. Okay, so how many rows here? Go right and left. 1 2. And how many columns here? 1 2 3. So I have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the name of this array is 2 by 3. Let's practice here. Match the array to its name. The first one, you will start with the row. How many rows do you have here? Go right and left. 1 2. How many columns? 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Go up and down. So I have 2 rows and 5 columns. 2 by 5. Which one? The first one or the second one or the third one? The second one. The second array here, let's count the rows. 1 2 3 rows. How many columns? Go up and down. 1 2 3 4 5. So the name of this array is 3 by 5. Let's see. Yes, okay. The last one here. How many rows do you have here? Go right and left. 1 2 3. How many columns? Go up and down. 1 2. So the name of this array 3 by 2. Here create your array. Okay, what will I do here? I have the name. I want to draw the array. What will I do? You will start with the row. The row will guide you to draw the array. How many rows do you have here? I have 4 rows. So I'm gonna make 4 arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what will I do? This is not array. This is to guide me to make the array. Let's see here 3 columns. اوكي، معنى كده ان انا عايزة اعمل هنا 3 columns. طيب انا هختار circles ولازم ما يبقاش فيه gaps في الاري بتاعي. طيب هعمل ايه؟ start to write circles. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one. على اساس ايه عملت 4 circles؟ على اساس النمبرز اوف روز اللي عندي، الجايد بتاعي اللي انا رسمته في الاول. طيب انا كده رسمت 1 column. انا عندي how many columns here? 3 columns. Let's start to draw the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second column. طيب I have 3 columns. Let's draw the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is array and no gaps here. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. يبقى the name of this array 4 by 3. And these all the pages for homework. Page 37, 39 on the booklet, and 38, and this page on the sheet, and these 2 pages in the sheet only. Thank you so much. For any questions, mention me on the comments on the comments on the Facebook. Thank you.